friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. This is your Walgreens preview for the week of April the 12th to the 18th, and we have some cheap body wash. Okay, so yeah, last week on Wednesday the 8th, these were printing out any transaction I was doing, so you might want to look around your store. There might be some around, or if you do a quick transaction, something cheap, it might print. Always your mileage may vary. Also, we got these, and they're both for online and in-store, and they start on Sunday the 12th. We have a 7-back when you spend 30 on beauty, and another 7-back when you spend 30 on healthcare and wellness. And then this one excites me, a 10-back when you spend 40 on P&G paper goods. So we're looking at the Charmin and the Bounty and the Puffs and that kind of magic. So we'll have to see what is included and how we can get that to work. Also, a lot of only for you new coupons. Find them at the top of your digital coupons folder. If you buy the same stuff as you probably have the identical ones, but go and load them right away before they disappear. That's a smart thing to do. Please treat this video as a preview. The full ad, along with all of the digital coupons, will be published in the app on Sunday the 12th. And it is rumored that on Monday the 13th, Easter should be going 80% off. Check the app, type in Easter clearance, and you'll know definitively if it's 80 or not. And we have a Dollar General clearance event from the 16th to the 18th, which is a Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Anticipate a video early next week for that, for a lot of freebies and cheapies. Let's get right into it with the cover here. So as you can see, there's lots of food, lots of soda as well, if that's your thing. We have the 93-cent sandwich bags as well by the Walgreens brand. But this first deal really excites me. The $8 Dove body wash, $3 reward when you buy 2, and an 8 off of 2 digital coupon. OMG. Grabbing 2 of these body washes for $16, subtracting that really large coupon, you're paying $8, getting back a $3 register reward, making it $5 for the 2 or $2.50 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And what is a booster for all the new shoppers out there? These are 2 examples. The top is a paper booster. The bottom one is a digital booster. When I say doing a deal without, it's meaning you're not using either of these in your transaction. In a store, you can actually stack the 2. Doing a curbside pickup, you can only use the bottom one. You obviously can't use a paper one when you're doing a curbside pickup. Balance, you have to pay cash bills, debit card, or credit card. Do not use Walgreens cash with these, as you will not get it back. And try calling customer service with that. They'll be the first to say no. So just a rule of thumb for all the new shoppers out there that are like, what's a booster? What is she talking about? When I'm saying doing a deal without these, meaning you're not using either one of these. So hopefully that's clear. For this one, we're going to grab one of each of these top tier P&G laundry care products. $1 digitals off of each, $5 reward when you buy 4. Grabbing one of each, that's $21.96. Subtracting, I'm assuming it's going to be dollar coupons, but if there are higher value ones, I mean, that's rock and roll time for us. We'll just load the higher value ones to save more money. $17.96, get back a $5 register reward, making it $12.96 for the 4 or $3.24 per unit. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Not a bad little deal if you're trying to build your stockpile with this nicer detergent. Another deal I absolutely love this week is the 2 for $11 on the L'Oreal Elvive shampoo and conditioner. 4 off 2 digital coupon, $2 reward when you buy 2. There was an IBOTTA rebate that's since vanished, but if it shows up again, this possibly can be a better deal. But 2 of these for $11, subtracting your coupon, you're paying $7, getting back a $2 register reward, $5 for the 2 or $2.50 per unit. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Hang onto your receipt in case IBOTTA gives us a rebate middle of the week. This deal for $5, we're going to have a new 4 off of 2 digital coupon, $5 reward when you buy 2 of these Colgate products. Grabbing 2 of them, it's going to be $10. Subtracting your coupon, you're paying $6. Getting back a $5 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but 50 cents per product. This is exactly what we're talking about to stock up for cheap dental care products. What a deal. Another great dental care deal is the 350 Crester Oral-B brushes. We have a 5 off 3 digital coupon and a $5 reward when you purchase 3. Grabbing 3 of these $3.50 products, it's $10.50. Subtracting the coupon, you're paying $5.50. Getting back a $5 register reward, making it 50 cents for the 3 or 16 cents per toothbrush or paste. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but 16 cents is a fantastic price point. Do love this one. Of us are really trying to get a little bit of paper rocking and rolling in our stockpile. There's a new product called Ultra Quilted. It is the Walgreens brand, and it's a triple single pack. And you can see from the left-hand side, these are kind of thicker rolls. I have bought a couple and no complaints, especially if you have animals that make little messies. It's not a bad product. On this promotion of buy one, get one for $1, either the 4-pack of the toilet paper or that roll of paper towel. So it's $1.99 for the first plus an extra buck. It's going to be $2.99 for the 2 or $1.49 per unit. If you might have Walgreens cash or register rewards, this would be a fantastic item just to pick up. Another great deal is the Huggies 2 for $21, $5 reward when you purchase 3 with a $3 off coupon. Grabbing 3 units of these diapers is going to be $31.50. Subtracting that $3 coupon, you'll pay $28.50. Get back a $5 register reward, $23.50 for the 3 or $7.83 per unit. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. If you might have a paper booster, I would utilize it because almost $8 for a bag of diapers is a little bit out of pocket. I would prefer paying less, so I would do it with a booster. And the balance, obviously, you'd have to pay with cash or your debit card. The Gillette razors, the disposables, are buy one, get one 50% off. $5 reward when you spend $15. We have $3 digitals, and hopefully they'll still be there. Grabbing 1 men's and 1 ladies, it's $15.88. If the coupons appear, you'll pay $9.88. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $4.88 for the 2 or $2.44 per razor. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but not a bad little one to pay under $3 per container of razors. It's not a bad little deal. We also have this, which is the Nexus shampoo at $16. I think it's going to be a 9 off a 2. We'll have to wait and see what that coupon is, and a $10 reward when you spend $20. Grabbing 2 of the Nexuses, it's going to be $32. Subtracting that coupon, you're going to pay $23. Get back a $10 register reward. Fetch had a rebate, but it's since vanished. Maybe something new will reappear. So hang on to your receipt, guys. 13 for 2 or $6.50 per shampoo or styler. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Now, a deal from last week that's repeating again this week is on the Neutrogena makeup wipes. If you didn't do the deal, you can still do it. $5.99 for the wipes. They do have displays in some stores, so maybe just grab a couple and do a price scan with the app, and if it rings up for $5.99, you're in business for this. 2 of them is $11.98. We have a 4 off 2 coupon. You'll pay $7.98. Get back a $7 register reward, making it 98 cents for the 2 or 49 cents per bag of Neutrogena wipes. That is a stock up price. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Use your Walgreens cash for those register rewards to print, and this is not a bad deal. Okay, the final couple honorable mentions that we have. The first is a buy one, get 2 for free on the Walgreens food storage bags. Typically, these sell for $2.79 for the first and then 2 for free. It makes it 93 cents per box of 20, which is a really fantastic deal, cheaper than Dollar Tree. Lots of sodas are buy 2, get 2 for free, or 3 for $14.99 with a $1 coupon, making it 3 for $13.99. $3.50 for the Doritos and Fun Chips, and a buy one, get 2 for free on the Kellogg's. It usually shakes those boxes out to like $2, which is really fantastic. That's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.